Money. It's something we all deal with, yet so many of us struggle with it. Managing money can feel overwhelming, even frustrating. But what if I told you there's a way to take control of your finances, make smarter money decisions, and even improve your mental well-being, all by building healthy money habits? In today's video, I'm going to take you through 9 simple steps to transform your relationship with money. Let's go from struggling with finances to feeling confident and in control. Let's get started. First things first, you need to understand your relationship with money. Think about it. Are you someone who avoids looking at your bank account because it stresses you out? Or maybe you overspend to feel better after a tough day. Your money habits often stem from how you think and feel about money. Spend some time reflecting on your mindset. Are there limiting beliefs holding you back, like, "I'll never be good with money," or "money is too complicated"? Recognizing these patterns is the first step toward change. The second step is tracking your money. You can't change what you don't measure. Start by tracking every dollar you spend for a month. Write it down in a notebook or use a budgeting app. You'll probably be surprised by how much those small purchases, like coffee or takeout, add up. Awareness is key here. Once you see where your money is going, you'll know where to make changes. Next, let's create a budget. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be restrictive. Think of it as a spending plan that helps you prioritize what matters most. Use the 50-30-20 rule as a starting point. 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. Tailor it to your lifestyle and goals, but remember, stick to it. This is a game changer. Automate your savings. Set up a system where a percentage of your income goes directly into a savings account before you even see it. This out-of-sight, out-of-mind approach ensures you're consistently saving without having to think about it. Even if it's just $50 a month to start, it adds up over time. Debt can be a huge source of stress, and it affects your decision-making more than you realize. Create a plan to tackle it. Start with either the snowball method, paying off the smallest debts first to build momentum, or the avalanche method, which targets debts with the highest interest rates. Stick to the method that feels most motivating to you. Here's where discipline comes in. Before making a purchase, ask yourself, is this a need or a want? Needs are essential, things like rent, groceries, and bills. Wants are extras, like a new gadget or fancy dinner. By prioritizing needs, you can redirect more money towards savings and goals. Once you've got a handle on budgeting and saving, it's time to learn about investing. Investing might sound intimidating, but it's actually one of the best ways to grow your wealth. Start small. Learn the basics of stocks, bonds, and index funds. If you're not sure where to begin, consider low-cost index funds or speaking with a financial advisor. Remember, the earlier you start, the more your money can grow thanks to compound interest. Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are good. That's why you need an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved up in a separate account. This cushion protects you from unexpected expenses, like car repairs or medical bills, so you don't have to rely on credit cards or loans. Finally, make money management a regular habit. Set aside 30 minutes each week to review your budget, track expenses, and adjust as needed. This keeps you accountable and ensures you're staying on track. Over time, these small habits become second nature. Building healthy money habits doesn't happen overnight, but with these 9 steps, you'll start seeing real progress. The key is consistency. Remember, small changes add up over time, and every step you take brings you closer to financial freedom and peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe with links to other videos about money management.